Frank here, Wrench Nation, hanging out at the concourse in the hills. In fact, to our very right, we've got this fountain, a blazing fountain in this, it got hot out here, Joe.
It got warm.
It got warm.
That fountain helps a little bit.
Psychologically, it helps. But I tell you what, regardless of the temperature, these vehicles out here are on fire. There's an eclectic array. And quite frankly, we came from our studios all the way over here, didn't have a chance to see the muscle car action over on this side, and aptly placed Steeda Perfomance. Joe Day, what is happening?
Well, we're just out here for the show. This is the first time for us, and we're very surprised with the show. It's a great concourse. It's very laid back, very well attended, as you can see, and the weather's been. You couldn't ask for anything else. Trust me, I have plenty of customers in the northern regions that would love to be here right now.
No doubt. All right, enough weather talk. We're talking about the Steve McQueen, the Bullet. What are you doing to a Mustang? It seems like everybody can do something with a Mustang.
Yeah.
What are you doing that's pretty unique with Steeda Perfomance?
Well, we have over 30 years of design and development behind us. We've been working with the Mustang chassis since the Fox bodies back in the late 70s, early 80s. And we're the #1 producer of aftermarket Ford performance parts in the world, second to Ford Performance themselves. So we can do everything from suspension, horsepower, looks, all the way through and make a real balanced Mustang out of the chassis that we do. Behind us we have the Steve McQueen edition. With that, we did about 30 upgrades to the standard Ford Bullet that's offered through Ford in 2019 and 2020.
So how is something like that sanctioned? I mean, you don't just as a company say, hey, we're just going to do this. Talk to us about the backstory, about how that all happened and kind of the seal of approval. What does it take to do that?
Well, as soon as we knew the Bullet was coming, we had the idea to do the Steve McQueen edition. And within, probably within a week of the time that we put the ITID together, we did the artist proofs and the idea on paper, got it in front of Chad McQueen and the McQueen family, and that's where the seal of approval started happening. It was a great conversation with Chad. Chad had been looking forward to seeing the Bullet chassis get finished properly, like his dad would have built it for the movie if he was filming the movie today.
Sure.
And once we talked to him about our Steeda upgrades, whether they were suspension, horsepower, the looks, which is very subtle with the Bullet, he was on. He said this is a fantastic project. We then went through negotiations for the licensing and trademarking with.
How was that? Let's talk about that, because it seems like when you get a bunch of good car people together, legacy and so on, and here comes patenting and trading, marking, right, and it gets a little funky. It's like, we know these attorneys are good car people, but leave us alone.
Well, Chad said, I'm on board. I'm on board 100%.
Nice,
he
nice.
said, but you got to work with the trade.
Yeah, you want to keep it legit, sure.
And he said it's going to take some time.
Yeah.
But it took us about 6 months to get everything negotiated, finalized, approved, and put forward. We're only doing 300 of them. And that's worldwide for 2019 and 300 of them for 2020. So it'll be a total of 600 for those 2 production years. And we've already delivered to almost every continent in the world.
Yeah, everybody seems to think that it's all about, the electric car in China. But what I'm thinking is, no, they still want a nice muscle car ride.
Oh, bigger than life.
Yeah.
One of the things that Ford did that really opened the market for the Mustang was it is available in right and left-hand drive now. So the markets where they required a right-hand drive, it really opened up the market in those areas.
All right, I'm teasing this undercarriage and this horsepower plant you got cooking here, but what's your thoughts on the E-Mach Mustang? I mean, that's a whole movement towards electrical vehicle platforms. We know that's on the rise.
Yeah.
You think a lot of folks felt violated with the whole Mustang tradition?
Yeah,
I mean,
they really had to. I know Ford had to go out there and really tease the market and see if there was going to be a major uprising. There's 2 sides to that coin. There's people that are diehard.
I saw it at Barrett Jackson, and I thought, they're obviously going after Tesla. Can we say that?
That's the bullseye.
Yeah.
There is a move towards that. I'm an old gas burner myself. I mean, I love big cams and lope and nice.
Long live 4-stroke. That's what we're talking about.
That's right. So it's tough for me, but yeah.
But it's not too. I was going to say it's not too tough for you with Steeda Perfomance, because you get to play in the back yard of some great performance. So let's talk about this engine, this power plant. What are you guys doing at Steeda Performance to beef her up?
So one of the things that we pride ourselves in is we're not just a looks package company. So it's not just exterior looks, and we're not just a horsepower company that just adds power adders.
Right.
We're well balanced. So yes, under the hood, we provide two versions of this Bullet. One is a naturally aspirated 500 horse, and the other is a supercharged, which takes it to 825 horse.
Wow.
Both of those are warranted, 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. So they can be serviced at any Ford dealer nationwide or worldwide.
Yeah.
The beauty of our cars, to really get to the heart of our cars, it's in the foundation of the car. It's in the suspension. Until we really address the suspension and do the things that need to be done to get the power to the ground, we're really just, if we just go for horsepower and supercharger, we're just throwing dollar bills into a black hole under the hood.
Yeah, it's not a
Because we
complete
can't
project.
get-
No,
we
you
can't
got
get that power to the ground.
Sure, sure.
And so what we do is this has about 15 upgrades. It's our full Steeda G-Track suspension. So it does everything from front to nose, whether it's quick adjust, 3-position adjustable sway bars, front and rear. We have the quick adjust camber plates, toe adjustments. We have the bump steer kit. We have a full K-member underneath here. In the rear, we have what we call our Stop the Hop kit, which takes all of the deflection out of that rear end that it causes the hop. That
Well,
you
stop
get
the
when
hop,
you-
sure, yeah. I mean,
so there's just a whole list of things we do on the.
let me ask you, in sort of designing and getting into some high-level performance, do you start suspension? Do you start engine? How do you start that? I mean, do you beef up suspension and say, okay, this is what we can do with horsepower?
Yeah.
Or do you say, hey, we're putting this power plant in, now we're going to work that suspension? How does that start off?
Starts with suspension.
Okay.
You know, I get customers that'll call and say, I got a tight budget. What if I just put a supercharger under the hood? And I say, let's back up a little bit. Let me talk to you about this. And I tell them I'd rather spend the money in suspension because we're going to make a faster car just in suspension with this Mustang. And so let's get the foundation first. Let's get you a car that has the ability to handle what you have stock and make it perform better. And then later on, as you mature with the car, you get money saved up, then we can move into the engine bay. We can start doing things like, superchargers. Now, if they want to do a cold air kit and a tune, then, that's a pretty straightforward, not a high price item. So they can do that and then do the suspension, and you have a car that goes out there and performs. I mean, if you go on our YouTube page and you look, we have some video of our Q500 series cars, which is naturally aspirated Mustang GTs with Steeda Perfomance suspension underneath them, with just a tune and a cold air. You're running roughly about just shy of 500 horse. They're going out on the track with street tires, and they're performing against cars 3 and 4 times their value without ever really doing much in a power adder. It's because we can maintain speed in the corners. We can come out of the corners with more speed. We're not braking as quickly as our competition. So then, when we get into the corner, one of our mottos is, it's not the first one into the corner that matters. It's the first one out of the corner that matters.
Yeah, I've seen that.
So
I've been that guy.
Yeah.
That first in the corner. Oh, snap! Where'd he go? He didn't come out.
That's right.
And you're talking about suspension and steerability and all that. I mean, that's important to
It's
keep it sticking to the
extremely
ground. Yeah. So you have different levels for everybody. Now I want to get back to this Concourse in the Hills. Which was your favorite vehicle?
So far, I've been swamped in here. I did go do a little walking around. There's some Ford GTs over there that probably
They have a whole
on my
row of
list.
Ford GTs looking
They
really
have
good. Yeah.
some vintage stuff
Yeah.
as well. So
Yeah.
there's some very nice vintage stuff over there.
Very good.
I'll tell you, of everything, I'm really amazed at the quality and the variety that's here. You can go from everything from the Japanese import stuff to your European, Italian, and American muscle. And this lake is large. They have
So
displays
it's
all
over
the
1,000
way around.
cars sitting out here. Yeah, of course. That's Concourse in the Hills. Steeda Performance. Where can folks find you?
So they could get us at, we have 2 websites. For our parts, if you want to upgrade your vehicle to suspension components, things like that, want to do it yourself at your home, www.steeda.com. And for the vehicles, the serialized vehicles like we build here, you would go to steedavehicles.com.
Cool.
You can also get us on Facebook at Steeda Performance Vehicles and on Instagram at Steeda Vehicles.
Awesome. Joe Day, you rock.
Thank you.
Steeda
Appreciate it.
Performance. I'll have the links down in the comment, and we'll catch you guys next time.